Hello everyone. I'm going to make honeybee planter and using these tiny bottles. So let's get started. I'm marking wings on the bottle. Then I'll cut it. This way cutting will be done very easily. I'm using heated knife and making some cut on the bottle so that I can put the scissor inside. With the help of scissor, you can give proper shape to the wings. But be careful while doing this. I will cut it in this way that wings are not separated from the bottle. Bending them and color the bottle in stripes, yellow and black stripes. Firstly, I have taken yellow color. After some gap, I paint it. I will paint it stripe by stripe. The blank space will be colored with the help of black color. You can even use masking tape for this pattern. I was comfortable, so I didn't use masking tape. So my bottles are ready with yellow stripes. I'll let them dry for some time. Then I will color them with the black color. So bottles are ready with black and yellow stripes. Now the top of the bottle is also colored. To color the bottom of the bottle, we will let it dry for some time. Then we'll flip the bottle. With the support of the wings, bottles will not move. They'll be at their place and you can see all the bottles are painted. Now I've taken another disposable container. Making a hole in the center to pass this in. Making some more holes behind this planter. I had total number of bottles. It was 13 actually. So I made 12 holes in total. Yes, one in the center too. Now making holes in the planters. With the help of stick Here I'm tying the bottles with the help of a string. Make a knot here so that the string couldn't come out of the water. I will make a small handle with this string, as you can see in the video. One string in front of you. Extra part will be cut. I'll do the same with other bottles. My all bottles are ready with their handles. Take some more strings, pass them from the reels made in the disposable container. I'll be hanging all the planters with the help of this string. All the strings are tied. I'm tying my final knot. So I'm tying the planters with the strings tied with the planter. So it will look like this. Now I'm making facial features. After hanging them, it was easy to make features on each and every bottle. I'm going to use them as a planter, but right now I just kept some artificial grass inside the bottles just to show you how it will look. The strings were looking little boring. I had some more artificial grass sticks, those sticks which we use in our kids' projects. I use them here, and this is the final look. I hope you liked the video. Bye bye.